Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up RCS messaging on Gmail to enjoy enhanced messaging features with read receipts, typing indicators, and high-quality media sharing, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Note that RCS messaging is primarily a feature for Google Messages, not Gmail. However, you can access RCS features through Google Messages integrated with Gmail contacts. Step 2. Download and install Google Messages from the Play Store if you do not already have it on your Android device. Step 3. Open Google Messages and tap on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Step 4. Select Settings from the menu to access messaging options. Step 5. Tap on Chat features to view RCS settings and enable the service. Step 6. Toggle on Enable Chat features. Your device will connect to Google's RCS servers to activate the service. Step 7. Wait for the status to change to Connected. This may take a few minutes depending on your carrier and network. Step 8. Verify your phone number when prompted to complete the RCS setup process. Step 9. Once connected, you can send RCS messages to contacts who also have RCS enabled, with features like read receipts and typing indicators. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.